Okay, so let's quickly do a comparison between a normal D loop and the infinity loop. This bow is on full draw on a draw board. Now we're going to be changing the angle of the trigger, and looking at the string we will see how much torque we have. There we are on a 180 degree to the one side and 180 degree to the other side, and notice that the string is still in the same place. And that's one of the best benefits of the infinity loop. Now let's look at the D loop. Same story, bows in the draw board. We're going to turn the trigger to the one side. We are almost on 90 degrees, and look at the amount of torque you have. Now we're going to do the other side. You will also see that on 90 degrees there's a lot of torque on that, and that's the reason why the infinity loop is so much better and accurate.